Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can grow an account easily with rise and fall when having enough capital. In my previous video I made about $64, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually make some more, okay? So I've set my volatility to 100 on S. I've already analyzed and the market is heading in the fall direction. My target profit is 100, my stop loss is 20, okay? So let us see how it goes. So I'll just press run and we be patient with the market to see where it will take us, okay? Yeah, we are using a good martingale, which you believe in, okay? So yeah, so let us see. All right, I want to show you how it is actually so easy to make a good profit when you have enough capital in your account, okay? So right now we're at 55. Currently we're at 45. We're not bad, not bad. So currently we're at 82. One more win and then we end, okay? Yeah, okay, just one more. Yeah, and that is it, guys. That is it. We have made our profit of 101.82. Let me zoom in so that you can see. Let me zoom in. Okay, I've made 100.82. Let me convert this so that you can see how much you have made. 100. Let's see. Let me show you how much. Okay, let me click OK first. I've already made that profit. Once I click that and I click on search on Brave, let us see how much we have actually made. 13,000 shillings in less than 5 minutes. Using the right strategy, having a good account. That is the power of having a good account. Guys, save up to have a good account. It will save you from a lot, okay? It will save you from a lot of struggle, a lot of pain, a lot of hard work. Your work will be to work smart and be a good analyst, okay? Yeah, so guys, to get this bot, go to the comment section, comment I want a bot, and please ensure subscribe and like, and that is it. Once you do that, I will guide you on how you can get this bot that I'm using right now for free. For anyone who needs more than 100 bots and more than 100 documents, extremely affordably, WhatsApp me. WhatsApp number is in the description. And if you need online classes, they're ongoing. Ensure you WhatsApp me. Okay? Yeah, so guys, that is how you can actually do it in trading. The secret is have a good strategy and have a good account, and that is it. All right? But don't have a small account. A small account will stress you out. Okay? Yeah, apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.